Where dips the rocky highland of Sullivan Wood in the lake, there lies a leafy island where flapping herons wake, the drowsy water ruts. There we hid our fairy words, full of berries and of reddest stolen cherries. Come away, O human child, to the waters and the wild, with a fairy hand in hand, for the world's more full of weeping than you can understand.